to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies, and that's all I need. Some say life is boring, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon, I'm gonna make it.
Hi guys, welcome to another cleaning and decluttering video. If it's your first time here, welcome to my channel. And if you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. We have a lot to do in my laundry room today in terms of cleaning and decluttering this space, which has acted as a storage room as well. So our laundry room is in the basement, and it's in this utility room which is unfinished, so hopefully we'll be able to finish that one day, but right now this is what we have. So we have a lot of stuff in here that I need to get rid of, declutter, and then clean this room up to bring it to bring it back to what it should look like: clean, organized, and not so scary. So first I started by asking my husband to bring everything upstairs, mainly like the big containers and things like that that I need to sort through. So I'll be decluttering those later on upstairs, but this is what it looks like, everything from that utility laundry room upstairs. And then this way I was able to just focus on the little things that are in here, getting that cleaned and organized, you know, sort of just making the room usable again. So let's get to cleaning, and just to sort of give you a heads up, after we clean up down here, we will move upstairs and actually go through all of the stuff that I was keeping in this basement utility room.
I'm gonna fail to get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream.
And to make this space a little more presentable, I got some storage baskets from the dollar store, which I like to do to compartmentalize everything. If you've seen any of my other cleaning and organizing videos, you know that this is something I strongly suggest, just to contain everything and to also make it look pretty.
There's no going back to your own life, not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying highs.
So we are pretty much just finishing up down here, and before I reveal what everything looks like now that it's clean and organized, let's move upstairs to go through everything that was brought up from this room. As I mentioned earlier, because of the lighting and just there was so much stuff and not a lot of space downstairs to go through everything. We brought everything upstairs, and now I'm just gonna go through them, sift through them. A lot of these bins are baby stuff, things that we don't really use or need anymore, maternity clothes, things like that. So I'm just gonna go through them, and then we will decide what we're keeping and what we are getting rid of.
Riding on the dizzying highs. climbing way up together, standing on dizzy heights. You make everything so much better. Riding high on your river, you and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on dizzy heights. There's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. I'm standing on the dizzying heights. I'm standing on the dizzying heights. I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Standing on the dizzying heights. Everything's so much better. Riding high on your river, you and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on dizzy heights. You make everything so much better. Riding high on your river, you and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on the dizzying heights.
I know you have questions, I don't have answers. Clearly no manners, baby. I know you want it better, putting on the pressure. 'Cause pressure's gonna get the very best of me. I give a little something, doesn't come for free. Oh, I know you have questions, baby. Even if I try and try too hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try and try too hard, tell me what to do, say anything, yeah. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try. If we just try. So come on, baby, dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, baby. Try, try, try. You find it distracting, hold of our issues, rather die with you. We no longer talk when it gets hard, so it only gets harder. I know you were gonna get the best of me. Come a little closer, we can dive in deep. Oh, I'd rather be with you, baby. Even if I try and try too hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try and try too hard, tell me what to do, say anything, yeah. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try. If we just try. So come on, baby, dive deeper, dive.
And now I'm just trying to get the dining room back in order after that chaos. And in terms of the stuff that we got out, we were able to keep some. So those I kept in the storage bins and I brought them to the garage. But the rest, we brought some to a local baby consignment store that we have here, where they take things and sell them, and they give you a little bit of money for it. And then we were also able to donate a whole bunch, and the kids were super happy to help out with that. So that is all. Let me show you what the laundry room looked like before, and then I will show you what it looks like now.
Just try, if we just try. So come on, baby, dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, baby, try, try, try.
And that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you like how everything turned out. Now, obviously, it is not perfect. This room is not even finished. But for what it is, we were able to empty it out. We were able to clean it. We were able to organize it. And it used to scare me a little bit to come in here, but now I like coming in here to do laundry. It's nice, it's organized, it's clean. I really like it. Hit the like button if you did like this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you like this type of content, so you can see future videos, and also just to support me. Thank you so much. I appreciate you, and I hope you have an awesome day. Bye.